So guys, you know, we're back here at TP Farms, at the farm of Miss Rachel Labanco, and I'm so blessed and so lucky na nandito ang talagang gusto ko ma-meet and ma-interview for a while now, and she's finally here with us. And she's an actress, she's a model, of course she's beautiful, and she's a singer. You came out with also with the albums. And with Viva, right?
Viva.
And she travels, she dances, everything all around talaga, all around performer. And of course, besides other things, among other things. So please welcome Miss Gwen Garcia.
Hello guys! Thank you.
Thank you, Gwen. Thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
Gwen, of course, we all know that you're with Viva. You started with Viva with Boss Vic, di ba?
Yes.
Sa Viva. And nag-start ka, how young were you that time? When they discovered you, who discovered you pala muna?
Boss Vic, I think I'm 16 years.
Oh my God. So si Boss Vic mismo talaga naka-discover. So he really has the eye.
Because
He really has the eye.
they were looking for different kinds of different looks.
Yes.
So they want one Filipino looking,
Yes.
one Chinese, Korean, German. They're
Yes.
looking for different looks.
Yes.
So that's why.
But all beautiful, di ba?
Yes, that's why when Boss Vic saw me, it's like, oh, I need her.
He put you, when you were 16, naka-join ka na agad sa Viva Hotbait? Was that the one? Or?
Yes, Viva Hotbait. Tapos start kami na mag-record ng songs.
And who was it? You, Gwen Garcia,
Katya, Maui,
Taylor, yes.
Andrea, Cherie,
Yes.
Miles.
Yes. At that time, were you in high school, or were you, did you finish, or did you want to really be in showbiz na?
Trying
Trying lang.
Yeah.
Kasi when you're young, you wanna try, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang you're
Curious.
curious
Yeah.
and adventurous.
Yes.
So then you got to like it naman.
Yeah, pero I'm very, very shy.
Because you were very, very shy.
Yeah, so if they will interviewing me, I give the mic right away to
Talaga?
the other
Ayaw,
girls
yeah.
because I'm
Kasi you
so
were
scared
16,
and
my goodness.
nervous.
You're so young.
Yeah.
But how did you start parang coming out of your shell? Like, you know, when you were doing movies na ba? Or paano ka nag-start na parang maging comfortable?
When they're yung girls kasi, I have a stage fright.
Yeah.
So,
May stage fright ka pala?
yes. So every time na, kaya lagi pag ni-interview, nanginginig ako, kahit anong tanong nila sa akin, hindi ako sumasagot. So, when yung mga girls is nag-start sila yung sumasagot, sila yung nagsasalita. Sa kinatagal-tagal na hindi ako nagsasalita, natututo ako ng paunti-unti.
Okay. So, do you think that did good? Na parang nakabuti yan sa'yo?
I
Na to
think
come out of
so.
your shell,
Yes.
di ba? To be in showbiz.
Yeah.
Kasi kung hindi, baka shy ka pa rin.
Yeah.
So now, hindi ka na shy, of course. We're not shy. Konti pa rin. But it's okay naman to be a bit. But parang nakabuti nga sa'yo, di ba? Meron bang mga sitwasyon na may mga bullies ba?
Maraming
May mga
bullies,
ganun.
maraming mga... Pero kasi ako, nakikipag-friends ako sa medyo mas matanda sa akin. Kaya, alaga ako ni Rachel, ni
Yes,
Sis
Ate
Rachel.
Rachel mo, yes.
Naka-pigtail pa ako, nakaganyan na pa ako, inaalagaan niya na ako. Kasi parang marami ako natututunan sa kanya.
Yes.
Pag sumasama ako sa mas may age kaysa sa akin.
How did you feel naman na, syempre nagkaroon ka ng albums, music albums, diba? That's a big deal, diba? I mean, to have an album. So parang, how did you feel? Did you really like singing, or was it something you learned through being in showbiz, or?
Something that I've learned because I'm so shy.
Oh,
Super shy. So
talagang
parang
shy
pinipilit
pala.
pa nila ako na kumanta, which is
Siyempre magkakanta ka, perform ka
ayokong
rin.
kumanta kasi nahihiya ako kasi ayoko nga mag-perform sa napakaraming tao.
How does it feel na parang up to now, you get to travel abroad and you get to perform abroad, right?
I'm thankful.
How do you
and
feel na
blessed.
Filipinos welcome you and you have all these fans there?
Thankful and blessed pa rin.
Yes.
Siyempre, di ba, until now. So, papasalamat pa rin kami kasi in a way, until now or sa campaign, kami pa rin yung hinahanap. Kami yung Bini ngayon, kami yung
Bini noon.
noon.
Totoo.
Yes.
Pero Bini pa rin kayo, di ba? Pero That's true. Kasi kilala kayo ng mga, kumbaga, yung age group nyo, especially if it's the campaign, mga voters, kilala kayo ng mga age 25 and up. Kayo ang kilala.
Yeah.
Actually, they'll still know. Yung mga kids, kilala pa rin talaga kayo. Kaya,
Yeah.
ang maganda sa inyo, hindi lang mga kids, hanggang mga older, kilala pa kayo.
Yeah.
So, all ages talaga. So, when you go traveling, let's say you go abroad, yung mga Filipinos who haven't been here for a long time, dami pa rin fans, di ba? Kayo, and of course, your group. Growing up naman, like, syempre, Filipino family tayo, di ba? Growing up. So, ilan kayo sa family? Were you a big family?
I have two brothers.
Two brothers. You're the only girl.
I'm the only girl.
Oh, talagang so your two brothers, were they very protective?
They said I'm the black sheep.
Ah, you're not, no? Talaga,
They
bakit
said,
naman
but
sinabi yun?
I don't know. No, my mom said.
Yes,
I'm
your
the
mom
black
said.
sheep. Kasi, diba, in a Chinese family,
Chinese family ba kayo?
yung dad ko,
Yung dad
mom
mo.
ko Filipino,
Yes.
Chinese family, iba kasi yung kailangan susunod-sunod-sunod.
Oo.
Kung ano yung sabihin sa'yo ng dad mo, gagawin mo.
So you felt na parang restricted ka as a woman, as a young lady, na parang you wanted to do so many things pero hindi pwede because of the culture na kailangan.
Yeah.
Feeling ko kaya shy ka kasi parang you had that, you grew up like that,
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
Pero now, of course, when you grew older, how do they feel na how is your relationship with your parents and your siblings?
Well, my mom, she's good naman, pero my dad passed away.
Ay, passed
I
away.
don't have a problem anymore.
So your dad passed away a couple of many years.
Tagal na,
Tagal
when
na.
I'm starting like
But at least
17 years
it's
old.
good that your mom was supportive.
Yes.
But now at least you get to, enjoy your life as Gwen Garcia. You get to, diba? And you get to meet friends like your Ate Rachel.
Yes.
So what else can you make us kwento about your personal life naman? Parang that time, syempre, nag-artista ka. Syempre, maraming liligaw sa'yo. Diba? And all that. How was it parang like coping with nung pag-artista tayo? I also experienced that time when I was younger na parang yung mga ibang artista lumiligaw sa'yo. And you were young. How did you like parang maneuver that?
Sa artista kasi ayaw pumatol sa artista kasi more on gossip, intriga, kaya hindi ako
Yeah.
pumapatol sa mga artista. Pati may mga friends ka rin mga artista na boys and kwentuhan ko ano
Yes. Oo.
about dun sa girl ko, anong
Oo.
ginagawa nila,
Oo.
kakwentuhan,
Oo.
pinapagkikwentuhan niya. So anong difference niya sa ibang mga guys rin,
Oo.
pinagkakwentuhan ka rin lang, di ba?
Diba?
True.
Actually, sabi nga nito, totoo pala yun, na mas chismoso, mas detalyado pang chismis nila, talo tayo.
Mhm.
Not all, pero pag showbiz kasi usually, just like politics or showbiz, parang medyo may maraming temptation na ibang babae o yung mga guys. So, siguro kung more of tahimik lang yung guy,
Yeah.
na-compare mo ba yun?
Siyempre, kung gusto mo rin ng tahimik na life,
Oo.
ayaw mo ng puro intriga.
Oo.
Kaya yun.
Yes. Pero so, what you went through, Gwen, trauma kasi yun.
Mhm.
That's a trauma, how what happened to your dad and how you're seeing how he treated you growing up and everything. Did you seek counseling? Nung na-realize mo na parang, teka muna, kasi lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa trauma, all of us, di ba? So did you go through that kind of...
No, kasi hindi naman uso sa atin.
Ay,
Sa States lang yun eh.
Oo nga
Mga
pala,
ganyan.
hindi pala yan uso ngayon.
Yeah.
Dito sa Philippines.
Pero now, nag-start na kasi karamihan sa mga kabataan ngayon is nag-aano sila ngayon na about psychiatrist kasi marami nang nabubuli at saka nagkukumit ng suicide. So now is more mabenta ang mga psychiatrist. Before
wala
ang
yun.
hirap mong maghanap ng psychiatrist.
At least, actually, sa
Pero
atin.
iba yung thinking kasi sa atin.
Oo.
Saka ayaw pumunta ng mga tao sa atin na pumunta sa doktor kasi nga parang iisipin nila, pag pumunta ako sa psychiatrist, nasira ka na
Oo
sa...
nga, true.
Yeah. So, kahit meron kang nararamdaman, kinikip mo na lang.
Oo, true.
Or kung nadidepress ka, kinikip mo
But
na lang.
which is not healthy.
Yeah.
But throughout syempre your showbiz career, during their career, did you ever fall in love? Like, syempre, it's normal. Did you ever fall in love? Seriously?
Of course, syempre, fall kasi everybody fall in love. May experience nila yan. Pero, is it the right guy or the wrong guy? I mean, I got married, but
Yes.
now I'm annulled.
But then, at that time, hindi, kasi may mga young people na ang ginagamit nila is more on puso.
Yeah.
Di ba, na parang ma-in-love sila o papakasal na kami, that's it na ganyan. So, hindi sila nag-iisip ano yung future nila sa guy. Were you like that when you were young? Can you say na ganyan ka? Or can you say na nag-iisip ka?
More on heart eh.
Heart
Kasi
na.
para
Pagbata,
kang
no?
tanga eh. Diba?
Pagbata tayo,
Yeah.
ganyan. Oh, yeah.
Parang hindi mo na ginagamit yung mind mo na, tama ba tong guy na to para sa akin? Kumbaga ang sinusunod mo kung sino
parang
yung
hindi
nagpapadudok
bahala na
sa
what
puso
happens.
mo.
Oo.
Yeah. Saka kung ano
So,
yung gusto
na-experience
niya,
mo yun,
sige.
experience mo yun,
Yeah.
na ma-in-love ka talaga, head over heels.
Pero later on, pag naghiwalay kayo, dun mo ma-realize na it's a mistake. Na dapat pala ginamit mo yung mind mo
Yeah.
kaysa sa heart mo. Pero huli na eh.
Would you say na
diba?
dapat mind and heart or mind or heart or balance of mind and heart?
Balance siguro.
Balance, no?
Yeah.
So, kailangan attraction ka rin naman sa guy,
Yes,
di ba?
kasi kung wala, paano mag-work yun, di ba?
Oo.
Alam, pakakasalan mo ng walang heart.
Katabi mo yun gabi-gabi,
Oo.
kailangan.
At saka, mahahalata nila na wala kang
Oo,
na
of course,
feelings sa
yes.
kanila.
Oo.
Sa relationship, dapat kasi both ways.
Yes.
Eh, kung mas mahal mo siya, pero ikaw, kunwari hindi ka naman niya ganun kamahal.
Ay,
Di ba? So, ikaw lang ang kawawa bandang.
so ayaw mo ng ganun, di ba?
Oh, na-experience ko na yung ganun.
Ay, wag.
Kasi,
Oo, yeah.
like sa ex-husband ko, ang nangyari is parang na-fall out of love siya.
So, while you're young, so naanal mo na yun and everything.
Yeah.
And so now you just move on. So how do you
Yeah.
feel now na you're still young pa, so you can move on and still, have another, so many futures actually, yeah.
I've learned that there's no forever. And I've learned na
Wala daw forever, guys.
walang forever. It's all, only yung mga kasal-kasal na yan, it's just a paper. I mean, kung kayo.
That's true. Kasi
Yeah.
di ba sabi nga nila marami dyan na si Instagram, akala mo saya-saya, pero
Yeah.
the more you show, na they say, di ba, sabi, the more you
true,
show,
true.
the more na, teka, bakit ba show ng show to na gano'n-gano'n na, di ba?
True. Yung mga guys kasi napapalitan. Pero yung family mo, yung anak mo nandyan pala.
That's
Forever
so true.
yan.
Yes, so
Yung mom mo nandyan forever yan. Diba?
Sabi nung isang friend ko, she studied psychology and she's talking to narcissists. She studied psychology and she studied counseling, therapy. And sabi niya na if you're a woman that is always attracts narcissists or are attracted to narcissists, maybe there's something that happened in your past or your childhood na kailangan i-heal.
Yeah.
So pag na-heal na yon, you will attract a different kind of guy. Parang yun ang sabi nila. Kasi di ba parang may mga babae na gusto nila yung bad boy.
Or sabi nila, i-break mo rin yung chain.
Pwede.
Kasi karamihan sa mga parang vulnerable ka eh. Kung nakikita nila, may sarili, ang mga narcissists may target eh.
It's
Parang
true.
alam nila eh.
Totoo yun.
Alam nila na,
I have friends
oh,
kasi na may mga narcissist na partners sila.
yes. Kung alam nilang strong ka, ayaw nila yan. Gusto nila yung
Makokontrol nila.
Oo, yung nakokontrol nila.
When you're still young, o di ba guys, bata pa siya, she's beautiful, ang daming good guys out there. So, you just have to find the right guy. And maybe, like I said nga, pray that God will send you a good guy.
Yes.
The right man for you.
And make you strong.
Who will love you.
Love you and have
your
a
baby.
peace of mind.
Not only you, but He will love you and your baby.
Yeah.
So how would you compare, Gwen? Kunyari, pipili ka ngayon. Would you prefer, okay, kasi whether Asian or Filipino or Western or may mga narcissists, diba? But in general, which would you prefer? Somebody na locally na Filipino? Or somebody na like from Australia, Canada, mga puti, mga white guys or white or black guys, whatever, but yung mga Western guys.
As long as there's chemistry, connection, dun mo naman makikita.
So it's not the nationality, it
Yeah,
doesn't
it's
matter.
not-
So wala yun talaga, no? Kasi
Right
pwedeng,
now.
pwedeng Filipino narcissist din.
Yeah. Pero now, of course, you're careful ka na. Kasi na, pattern na
Right,
nasunod-sunod.
kaya careful.
Hanggang
Yeah.
sa ex-husband mo, hanggang sa mga
So guys, you're learning something from Gwen, ha? Especially yung mga younger ones that are probably watching or, di ba, we're planning to get married, nako. So, better watch out and check muna the guy. Kasi ang guy ba na narcissist, in your experience, pag let's say nililigawan ka pa lang, hindi mo alam na narcissist siya.
Hindi. Pero, ang mga narcissist kasi, parang pinapakita, kulang lang ibibigay nila sa'yo yung moon. Ang galing nilang magsalita.
Yes.
They're very manipulative. Yung parang, ikaw ang pinakamaganda. lahat ng mga matatamis na salita, maririnig mo.
Tapos yun pala, in the end,
Iiwan ka rin.
iiwan ka
Oo.
rin. Or
Tapos
like,
babalikan ka na. Tapos
lalabas,
babalikan ka.
lalabas yung kanilang totoong character.
Yeah. Kasi mga narcissist, parang, di ba, yung, ang tawag ba, dopamine mo, pag hiniwalayan ka, magtataka ka bakit hiniwalayan, walang dahilan, di ba?
Pero sila high sila doon.
Oo. Tapos biglang, after ng kasi paiinlabing ka nila, tapos bigla, parang drug eh.
Oh my God.
Parang drugs, parang ka
That's so
nagtitake ng
bad,
drugs.
yeah.
So, paiinlabing ka nila, tapos bigla ka nila itatapon. Pag tinapon ka naman, ikaw yun naman yung habol ng habol. Tapos, kung ano yung masasakit na salita, sabihin nila sa'yo. Tapos, they keep on pushing you away. Tapos, pag nakikita nila na parang nawawala ka na naman,
Saka ka naman nahabulin.
saka ka na naman babalik ka na.
Did you
sasabihin
experience
nila, oh, I
that?
miss you, ganyan.
Did you experience a narcissist like giving like hurting words? Were they, are those guys
Verbally
were they-
abused.
Oh, you were verbally
Yes.
abused. That's the typical of a narcissist,
Yes,
no?
typical.
Like talagang pinuput down. Gusto kasi nila na
Sila lang eh.
Sila lang yung nasa taas.
Yes.
Ikaw yung parang ina-abuse nila
Yes.
verbally.
Kayo nasa baba.
Oh my God.
Pero hindi yan lalabas hindi mo makikita yung mga sign na gano'n.
Sa umpisa.
Kasi matatalino ng mga narcissist.
Yes.
Pag alam nilang wala ka pang love sa kanila, pag alam nilang love na love ka muna sila, at saka ka na nila lalait-laitin. Yeah.
Ang sama nun. Yeah, that's so hurtful. I
Yeah.
can imagine. So, that time can you see talagang sobra ka nasaktan?
Sobra-sobra.
Sobra. Then parang how long did it take you para ma-heal ka sa tingin mo, sa heart mo, nung nasaktan ka, ginagawa niya yun sa'yo?
Ito sa ex-husband ko, almost like mga 5 years.
Imagine 5 years bago naka-recover
Yeah.
ng pain and all.
Yeah.
Grabe.
Ganon.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, it's traumatic eh.
Yes.
Verbally abuse ka, kung ano, kumbaga parang naiiyak ka, naaalala mo yung mga sinasabi niya sa'yo na hindi mo alam kung anong ginawa mong kasalanan. Lahat yun, pampababa sa
It's a nice learning topic for this vlog, no? Parang to at least to give an example to other young people out, young generation na talagang up to now nangyayari pa rin kasi yun. Kahit saan naman, I mean, even now maraming narcissists, di ba?
At saka karamihan sa mga narcissists, hindi yung mga gwapong-gwapo. Karamihan sa kanila is hindi ganun kagwapo.
Pero grabe yung confidence level.
Pero grabe yung confidence nila sa sarili
Wow.
nila. Tingin nila sila yung pinakagwapo.
Wow. Yeah.
Tsaka pag nakikita nila na kunwari may iba kang pinapansin, yun na nag-snap na sila.
Grabe.
Kasi gusto nga nila sila lang.
Sila lang doon ka lang
Yung
nakatingin sa
attention, gusto nila, pati sa mga friends, sila lang ang papansinin. Kaya wala silang friends eh.
So Gwen, would you like say na you want to hope na one day that you will find the perfect partner na who's na narcissist? Siyempre hindi narcissist, di ba? Yung mabait who will love you and your child. I mean, and parang take care of you. Kasi you're still young, so meron naman mga guys out there who are good. So would you wish for that for your future na gano'n ang parang may kasama ka ba sa pagtanda? Yung parang gano'n, would you also dream of that?
Yeah, I dream, pero hindi na ako yung parang longing, not like before na talagang naghahanap.
Siguro na-trauma ka na rin.
Yeah.
Na-trauma ka na rin sa mga partner mo na narcissist.
Kung may darating, papasalamat ako kung may ginagawa. Ganun. Pero hindi na ako yung talagang kailangan ko maghanap.
Yes, kasi
Yeah.
parang, when you're young kasi parang kailangan, gusto mo lagi may boyfriend ka, ganyan, di ba?
Yeah.
All that.
Ngayon,
yeah.
hindi na.
It's so nice. We learned, guys, about the love life of Gwen. Kasi usually yung iba, pag nag-interview iba, now naman, at least we got this side of you na, which actually your story was already featured in Maalaala Mo Kaya.
Yeah.
You find it there kay Gwen Garcia. But then now we got more in-depth about your love lives and all that. So, yeah, so I really hope, Gwen, I pray na you find the right man for you. Yun ang ano sa'yo. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for obliging for me to have you here, and like I catch you here sa EP Farms again.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Thank you also.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gwen. Nice to meet you. So, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe
Ayan.
for this episode with Gwen Garcia.